Right, so this is a little bit of a different one. This is a demo slash case study, right? So I've just uploaded this video and I haven't really done anything. I just want to optimize it for vape drip tank and best vape drip tank, and that's it really. And I haven't added anything. I've just added like a sentence or two here, a couple of tags, and I've added it to a playlist that's called Drip Tanks, and then it's just going to share to Google Plus and Twitter. Right, so that's the first thing that's going to happen. Okay, so now I'm going to just publish it. Now that's published. Okay. Right, so let's get to the URL, and it's going to have 0 views, of course. And the purpose of the case study and the purpose of this video is just to really show how the SEO module works. Okay, so best vape drip tank. Okay, so 0 views. I want this URL. I'm going to do 2 things before I use the SEO module. The first thing you want to do is you want to copy the main URL, and you just get rid of the and the feature. That's what you always want to do. But anyway, okay, so you come here next to the YouTube URL it, and then you get all these different variations. And then you go and you copy all of them, open up the indexer, and then I'm just going to pause it while I do that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to pause it. Okay, save me having to edit out my API key. So that's been indexed now. So what's happening? What I'm going to do next? So what's obviously happening now is I've used these 3 indexing services, and it's not enough to rank anything, but it's going to be sending out pings and maybe a couple of embeds here and there on different sites, and it's going to be sending out a little bit of sort of traffic, little embeds, RSS feeds. I don't know exactly what they all do exactly, but they're going to be sending signals to all of these URLs. So the next thing Google are going to want to naturally see are views to these URLs. So you go and you can see most of them are video, but you see the bottom are JPEGs and different images. So you don't want those. You want to go from here, and you want to just grab all of those, come over to the SEO module. I've already added a whole bunch here. So the way you add is you just go add projects, and then you can see here the bunch. There's a bunch that I've added here for this project, and then you just click add, and they all come in here. And all these are different profiles, all on different IPs, projects, cookies, cache, some with Gmail, some with Facebook, some with both, some with nothing, all in different environments. And then we want to add links. So now we want to take those links that we've just pasted, and we want to go OK, and yeah, all of them. Okay, great. So next, we just want to right click. We want to come here, open up each one, and that's done there, as you can see, 76 URLs to syndicate. So you can pretty much do anything that you want with these with this SEO module. But I've been using it lately for crowdsourcing type stuff. Because each one of these is another IP proxy and all in a sealed perfect environment, and it just shows YouTube and Google another person opening up and viewing your video. So that's what we're using now. We're using it just for, okay, so that we've done that, different things there. So we're just using this for YouTube views right now and to get indexed, right? So we've used the indexer, okay, but we're trying to get into Google, right? So you need to show a little bit of stuff going on there other than just your thing getting indexed. Now it's not a massively competitive keyword here. I want to use a few of these ones down here. I don't want to use some of my better profiles. I just want to use, and let me just lower the volume here. Hold on. Okay. So you can see 1 view, no views, and these count. Google loves this stuff. They love the views that come from these modules. Just like him. It works. And it's generally enough to get a bit of crowdsourcing, crowd surfing, whatever you want to call it, going on, so that you can you get indexed. You get a little bit of Google love there, so that you can go straight to the first page of Google in certain instances. So a good thing to do is also to just pause the occasional video, because that's what people do generally. You pause, you don't watch them all the way through. But this one we can have some of them go all the way through. You just mix and match it. In version 3, this is all going to be totally automated, this kind of stuff. So you're going to be able to just set, how many to open up, and we're going to have it connected also to a few different VPN services like HMA, Hide My Ass, so that you don't have to be using proxies each time for this. And a lot of them are good, clean proxies on HMA. So, we want to use them and utilize them as well as other VPN services. So let us know if you've got any other favorites that you use that have got nice, clean IPs that we can integrate into this particular part of Browsio. Okay, so that's basically the general idea. So this is going to be enough to get you some initial view and some initial traction so that you can get into Google, so that you can get indexed, so that you could build a nice foundation to get this video ranked, right? There's no better way than to bring a video out, get a whole bunch of URL variations, and don't forget what we're actually doing here. A major thing that we're doing that I didn't point out is that we're clicking on each different URL variation, so you can see they're opening up in different kind of environments, different instances. Some are opening up as a whole video, some are opening up as a regular page, but some are opening up. You see 5 views, so they're all counting. Google loves this kind of stuff. All right, and that's how you use the SEO module. Right now, this is a little bit of a more of a competitive keyword, Vape Drip Tank. It's not massively competitive, but I don't know if it's going to be enough to get directly to page 1. Let's see if we're even ranking in YouTube right now. So let's see, Vape Drip Tank. Vape Drip Tank. Vape Drip Tank. There it is, the bottom of page 2. Okay, right. Okay, so there you go. So it's, within a couple of minutes, a few views, and it's at the bottom of page 2. 6 views, and it's building a nice foundation for you to be able to go and get your videos ranked in Google. So all you're going to need now is to head over to the Prospector, find a couple of forums, places to go get some embeds, go answer a couple of questions on Quora, go find a few places, comments to go leave a video reply using Disqus where they allowed embeds, and that's going to be enough to get you ranked in Google for this particular keyword. And I'm going to come back in about a week and show you this on the first page of Google. So let's see, Vape Drip Tank. I don't think it's indexed yet. Vape Drip Tank. So look, we've got a video here on the first page, so that's actually great. So we can have, there's a bit of hope there that we can get to the first page there. So that's quite, oh, so look at this. So this is interesting. So perfect. So we're already here, Vape Drip Tank, and we're already on page 1 of the Google videos, Vape Drip Tank. There it is. So let's see where we are for best Vape Drip Tank. I wonder if that comes up. No. And videos. So there you go. We're number 2 already for best Vape Drip Tank. All right. So, I mean, look, that's the power of crowdsurfing. So it's showing Google that people are watching your videos. Immediately it got it indexed, and number 2 in the video results. But I haven't done anything, as you can see. All I've done is built a really nice, strong foundation for you to go out and get some embeds now and a couple of backlinks, and that's number 1. That's going to rank in Google, as you can see. I mean, look how powerful that is, right? It's there already. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to do some more crowdsurfing over here, searching, whatever you want to call it. Basically, get some engagement, and I'm going to add Google to the mix. Okay, I'm just going to send Google to all of the profiles here, and let's go to Google. Launch project in browser. And we're going to do Vape Drip Tank. Nothing there. And then videos. Click on it and find it, and basically that's what you want to do. You want to find it, and maybe Buzz Sigs. So we can do something like look this, check this out. So we can do something like BuzzSigs, because that's indexed in Google already, and they like seeing brand-related searches. So you can do. Let's slow the volume. So we can do BuzzSigs. BuzzSigs. What was that thing? What was that key? I just drawn a blank. What was the keyword that we're just looking at? Drip tank, vape drip tanks. BuzzSigs drip tanks. Okay, so that's a bit of a variation. BuzzSigs drip tanks. Let's see if anything comes up. Okay, so there it is. BuzzSigs best. Okay, drip tanks. Okay, so that BuzzSigs drip tanks, because that's like really broad drip tanks. I just connected it to the brand. So what I've done there is I've done a search for the brand as well as the keyword. And that's really the kind of stuff that Google, basically what Google's thinking here is that, oh, your brand is interesting. People, okay, and it's looking for that, it's finding the YouTube video, so that's giving it even more kudos. So it's associating these searches and keywords with your site. Okay, so if it would have been your site, you'd be finding your site there. Okay, so let's see. So we can do BuzzSigs vape drip tank. And there it is in Google, BuzzSigs vape drip tank. See, as you can see, it's getting easier and easier to find. See, 25 minutes ago. And this is just sort of the kind of things that you want to be doing. So you're getting views from different places. Now you want to go embed this on different pages, LiveJournal, on WordPress, on pretty much anywhere you want to go. And then you want to go and stick those URLs in here. And you want to get links and views from other places, right? And you want to go and you want to share it on Facebook. So I think what we can do here is this one here is with Facebook. So I can show you also now how basically the sharing module works quickly in here. Okay, so we'll go here where I've got a Facebook profile, and we can then take this video, and what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to, where is it? Let's get a good version here. Alright, whatever, that's good. Launch here, and now because this has got a Facebook account attached to it, and Google+, so what I want to do is I want to click Facebook, and say, cute, love the voiceover, guy is a fool, but made me laugh. Anyway, also good if you want to get into vaping. Okay, vaping with mods. Alright, great. So post to Facebook, share on timeline. Okay, so let's go here. Do I have Facebook? Yeah, I've got Facebook here. Now let's find that and then click on that and come to it from there. But what I want to do is I want to get this link here, because this link should be public. Copy link address. Copy link address. And basically I'm getting different places, add links, and I'm just getting that link address. Oh, that's not it. Okay, so I'm not going to do it now because it's getting a little bit too confusing probably, but the idea is to just embed it and then come back to the SEO module and watch the video you've just embedded on that video after you've indexed it. So go embed it, index it, come back to the SEO module, and then watch the videos in the SEO module. And all that engagement will help you get more rankings, and it'll help it make sense that all these embeds that you're getting are real and that the backlinks are, again, real. So it's exactly what Google want to see. Once you've started indexing your stuff and you're sending all these signals, they're going to want to see exactly the next step, which is views and interaction. So when you come there, you want to also let it play and watch other videos and click on other videos just to make it a little bit more real, right? So that's the kind of stuff that Google want to see. They want to see real user interaction. And again, the SEO module stands for Social Engagement Optimization. So this will allow you to basically get as much social engagement as you want to any page, and you can optimize it exactly to your needs, right? So if you need comment, up likes, comment votes, whatever you might need, you can do that all within the SEO module. All right, so we'll come back in a couple of days and see how that video is ranking. For now, that is the video tutorial on how to use the SEO module, along with a little case study and just a little bit of insight on best practices and how to use it. All right, so we'll see you in the group, guys.